How to sign up for AliExpress affiliate program. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign up for AliExpress affiliate program. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, search for AliExpress affiliate program. After you search for it, you'll find the link to it. Tap on this. And after you open up the link, just wait for it to open up. And you'll need to head over to its sign up page. So let's wait till this loads. I'll just hit enter again. There we go. Now here you'll find the register option. Tap on register and it should take you to this page right here. Now you'll have to tap on Google or simply type in your email there. And after you do that, you can now choose your account. After you choose your account, tap on continue. And after you do that, you will basically have created your account. And there we go. You have logged in into your AliExpress account. And after you've done that, to create your AliExpress affiliate account, you'll have to go through these forms. Now, just type in your payee name. So just type in my name, your email verification code, which you can tap on send right here, and you'll have received an email. So let's go ahead and check that. There we go. Copy the link, the code that you have received in your email. This is it. Let's head back here and paste it. On my pad, go back here, copy this, come back again and paste it. Then your contact number, your social media platforms and stuff like that, and how you heard about them. And also if you want to subscribe to their news portal or not, then go through this, then tap on next. After you tap on next, let me remove this space here and then tap on next again. After doing that, this is the site information. Now you will need to choose your promotional attribute, where network refers to being organization or agency and non-network refers to promoting via your own promotional channels. So choose whichever suits you the best. So if you just select whatever you want, then type in the site name, your site's URL, your category of your business or whatever you're the agency of, then a description, also your traffic source area. After doing that, tap on add site and tap on submit. Doing that, you'll have created your AliExpress affiliate program account, and that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. That's all. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.